Hi there, I'm Ken the RV guy, and I help people all over the country find their ideal motorhome. Today I'm going to show you the Terreno-ion all-wheel drive from Grech RV.
Folks, when it comes to luxury Class Bs, no one does it better than Grech. This one's built on a Mercedes-Benz 4-cylinder diesel high-output engine, 211 horsepower, 332 foot-pounds of torque, 9G Tronic 9-speed transmission, 22 feet 10 inches long, 9 feet 10 inches high. It's got all the extras to help you drive easily. You're going to love driving this thing. It's got a power awning with an LED light. It's got an electric sliding door with a power entry step. This thing doesn't have a generator. Instead, they put a Liftronics lithium battery system. It's got 16,000 watt hours in those batteries. You're going to see here a 110 volt power outlet on the side for us. It has an auxiliary 250 amp alternator to keep those batteries charged, 3,000 watt Xantrenix inverter with a 250 watt solar panel. Here you're going to see all your inputs and outputs in one handy location. Folks, if you don't know what's so special about Grech, you need to go visit grechrv.com/about and learn all about what is different about how they manufacture this. It really is no other coach like this. As we go inside, the things you're going to notice right away is ultra leather seating surfaces, LED ambient lighting, solid surface countertops, Swiss Chrono hardwood cabinets with radius doors. You're going to see soft touch walls and headliner and vinyl woven flooring. You're going to feel 3/4 inch composite honeycomb subfloor that makes it nice and sturdy. You're going to feel that memory foam power sofa in the back. You're going to absolutely love it. 24-inch LED TV with Apple TV. You're going to see a soundbar with premium sound, USB and 110 volt chargers all over the place. Auto motion power window shades to make it easy to darken it. As you go into the galley, you're going to see a faucet with a pull-out spare. You're going to see a 2-burner induction cooktop. You're going to see a combo microwave convection air fryer. Oh, to make your life so much easier when you're camping in style. I'm going to show you all the space in these cabinets. It'll get a little bit redundant. You're going to see my hand more than usual in this video, folks, because it's so tiny. I just couldn't open them ahead of time, so we're going to have to do it as a team, working together. You're going to see this microwave. It's full of stuff, but there's plenty of room inside of it. One of the things that's cool about this is the power sofa. You'll see I left them in the up position. Yeah, there's all the overhead storage. They gave us it comes with a free first aid kit. Those guys think of everything. So there's a TV. There's one of the monitors for the Firefly system, and then I'm going to go to the front monitor for the Firefly system, and I'm going to put the sofas down, and you're going to see it just comes down one on each side. It makes 2 twins or one very large king bed. All you had to do was press a button. It's really convenient. Look at how big that is too. There's a whole back. It turns into sleeping. It's incredible. As we move into the bathroom, you're going to see a private enclosed wet bath. It has a ceramic toilet with a foot flush and a macerator system, a molded sink with vanity mirror. You're going to see a handheld shower head that functions as both the faucet for the sink and the shower. And then there's a retractable clothesline up there in the corner. And then we're going to see quickly the refrigerator freezer combo. They put the freezer down low, the refrigerator high, which is helpful because you're getting the refrigerator a little bit more, so you wouldn't want those bottom shelves difficult. You see some storage up underneath there. And then in this closet here, you see the table mount system is a place to store it with some more storage. As we move into the cab, you're going to see the MBUX multimedia system with a 10.25 inch touchscreen. You're going to see a multifunction leather steering wheel. It comes with both seats on the front are powered, they're swivel, they're heated, extra storage up top. Just a fantastic coach if it's just 1 or 2 people. Here's my contact info. Folks, give me a call if you want more information. I'd love to help you.
Doobie 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 doom.